a basic book for understanding the Quran in Arabic. Get ready. Each word of the lesson will appear on the screen for 2 seconds. Say its meaning within 2 seconds, then check the answer. Adjust the video speed as needed. Make sure that you have read and completed the relevant lesson beforehand.
Akbar. The biggest. Asghar. The smallest. A'lam. The most knowledgeable. Arham. The most merciful. Avlam. The most cruel. Ahsan. The best. Aqrab. The nearest. A'la. The highest. Asdaq. The most truthful. Athar. The cleanest. Azka. The most virtuous. Ahda. The best guided. Ahkam. The most just. Abqa. The everlasting or eternal. Aqwam. The most upright. Asfal. The lowliest. Adna. The nearest or most inferior. Awwal. The first. Akthar. The most. Adall. The most misguided. Akhsar. The greatest loser. A'azzu. The most honored. Adhallu. The most humiliated. Ahaq. The most deserving. Ashad. The severest. Khair. The best. Shar. The worst. هذا أكبر. This is the biggest. ذلك خير. That is best. ذلك أزكى. That is most virtuous. والآخرة خير. And the hereafter is best. والصلح خير. And the reconciliation is best. والله أعلم. And Allah is the most knowledgeable. ذلك أدنى. That is nearest or most inferior. والله خير وأبقى. And Allah is the best or and eternal. والآخرة خير وأبقى. And the hereafter is best and eternal. وللآخرة خير. And indeed, the hereafter is best.